Hi, I'm Sulin. I'm a naturopath, herbalist, and nutritionist, and I live in Sydney, Australia, on the Northern Beaches. So anyway, today we're coming together to make Goddess tonic pills, and I thought it might be nice to just be in one of my videos. So say hello to you all and let you see who's behind these recipes. And the reason why I've called them Goddess tonic pills is because they're based on figs. Figs are quite a symbolic fruit, aren't they? And symbolic of fertility. And you know, when you slice a fig in half, it looks like one big ovary with all the tiny little ovules in there. Actually, let's just talk botany for a second. A fig contains within it many tiny ovaries, because a fig is a fruit that forms from what's called an inflorescence, which is a cluster of many flowers on the same flower stem. So a fig is not only symbolic of fertility, it's symbolic of abundant fertility. And we do see it associated with many goddesses in relation to feminine and fertility and so on. And I've called them tonic pills because they contain tonic herbs. You know, herbs that increase your vigor, herbs that improve your stamina, give you energy, and work predominantly on the adrenal system. In Ayurveda, we'd call them rasayana. In classical Chinese medicine, they would be the Jing herbs. They're giving this beautiful life force, kind of like the life force that's running through every vessel in your body, every xylem vessel in the plant's vascular system, just running through the universe and bringing life to everything it touches. Great, eh? You can almost feel these pills working for you already. And they're called pills because they are pills. So in the early days, herbalists would create their medicines by pounding down dried herbs into powders, and they would roll them up, perhaps putting in some water or some honey to give some solidity there and to bind the powders together, and they were technically pills. So what we're creating today is an old world herbal medicine, and we've got the fruits to bind and to give extra nutrition and flavor, of course. We have the beautiful tonic herbs, and they're rolled up into these delicious balls because delicious and nutritious is a must. Anyway, it's time to get started and make something delicious, and may this bring you lots of health and vitality today. They won't last very long, I'm going to tell you that much now, because they lasted about 2 days in this house. So enjoy them while they're there, and I hope that you play around with the recipe as well, make it your own, and share in the comments on the blog. Share in the comments here if you had any great ideas to make these Goddess tonic pills even more amazing. Thanks for watching and enjoy.